Hey there, Shawn Bayley, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about how to make a sales funnel for a business. Before we get started, I need you to click the buttons here on the page here. Go ahead and click on like, click on subscribe, and click on notify so that you get notified every Thursday when I put out new videos. I thank you in advance for this. It really helps me out with YouTube. 97% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed, so why don't you go ahead and subscribe right now, and let's get started. Now here's the thing, businesses, they need to make sales in order to survive. And the fastest way I've found to sell is with the video sales letter funnel, the VSL funnel. All you have to do is create your script, record that video, and then embed the video inside the page and you're done, right? And the great thing is at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to some pre-built VSL funnels. All you have to do is go over to ShawnBayley.com/OFA. If you sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, you get access to all the bonuses on the page, as well as inside the bonus area, you'll see a section that says Pre-Built Funnels. Sweet bonus. All you have to do is click on the link that says Pre-Built Funnel Downloads, and it will give you links to all of the pre-built VSL funnels. I've got 10 different VSL funnels for you to access. Let's take a look at all the pieces that are inside. So here we go. This is basically a funnel blueprint of a VSL funnel. So when people get to the sales page, the cool thing is all you need on that page is literally a headline, a box with your video playing on it, and then a button underneath that says buy now, right? Once they go and click on that, it's going to take them over to our order page where they can go see all the details, put in their credit card information, and complete their purchase. Here's where we increase our average customer value. We include upsells along the way, additional products for them to buy. I don't really recommend using more than 2 upsells at most because you're going to just start to annoy people. They're going to be like, hey, stop trying to sell me stuff here. But the cool thing is by having these upsells in place, people will take advantage of it. I was able to go from selling a small $7 product on the front end and having an average customer value of over $34, right? That's a 4x increase just because I had some upsells in place along the way in my funnel here. Now the cool thing is that you can also include downsells along the way in your sales funnel. Right? So if someone gets to your upsell and they like what the offer is on that upsell, but they're like, oh, you know what? It's too much money at once. I can't afford to buy this upsell. An easy way to have a downsell is to basically, when they click no and say, no, I don't want this, is to hit them with a downsell where it says, hey, in case you were interested in that last product, but it was too much money at once, what if I break that into some smaller payments for you? What if we break that into a 3-payment option for you, right? You're going to have people go, oh, okay, awesome. Now I will take advantage of this because I can do it and, take advantage of this payment plan. I don't have to put it all out at once, right? And you can do that for, your second upsell as well. Go and offer it like a downsell version of that as well, and it basically gives you a wider net. You're going to catch more fish if you use a wider net. So by including not only these upsells but different downsell options, you're going to have more people that take advantage of these because you're giving them different options, different paths to go and become a customer. And then we see over at the end here, after all of our upsells and downsells, our order confirmation page. So here is where we show them, hey, everything went through. Your transaction is complete, and most importantly, we're going to have some type of link, some type of download option on there, basically a way of saying, here's how to get your stuff. Once people go and buy, that's what they want, immediate gratification. They want to know, where is my stuff, right? So here, we do that on the order confirmation page. And once they're done, the great thing is once they purchased and they become a customer, now we're going to start sending them welcome emails. We're going to send them usually an email that says, hey, here's a link just in case something happened with that order confirmation page. Here's a link to get your stuff, right? We want to, make sure that we're providing that. We want to minimize refunds because we don't want to have people being like, hey, I wasn't able to access the product. I wasn't able to get my stuff, right? We're also going to have, with that order welcome email, like an entire series of email after that called an onboarding sequence where we go and basically explain to them how to consume the product, the benefits of the product, the story behind the product, and most importantly, here's, testimonials, here's other people that have used the product and got awesome results, right? And like I say, the VSL funnel, I just find it's the fastest way to sell. You don't need a lot onto your sales page. You can just get away with, a headline, a video on the page, and then a button underneath that says buy now. So the great thing is that with the VSL funnel here, you can get access to some pre-built funnels. Just go over to ShawnBayley.com/OFA. Once you get inside the bonus area, if you sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge with my link, you get access to the section that says pre-built funnel, sweet bonus. Just click on the pre-built funnel downloads, and it will give you links so you can go and one-click install. I'll show you exactly how easy it is to use these things. So the great thing is once you've logged into your ClickFunnels account here, all you have to do is just paste in one of the shared funnel links. And then all you have to do is just click on to add funnel, and it's just going to add this VSL funnel right into your account here. So we click add funnel, boom, it's going to go. Here we can see copy of VSL funnel. And it only takes about maybe 30 seconds at most for this to go and actually load up. So here we can see 20%, it's going. Boom, done. All I have to do is click on to view funnel, open this up in a new tab, and there we go. All my funnel pieces are built in already, right? And all I have to do is just go in, click on edit page. I can go in, boom, I'm done. I'm ready to go here. All I have to do is, once I've recorded my video, I just go into here, whether it's hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, wherever it is, I just paste in the link to it, and then the video is ready to go, right? I can go, I don't even need all this extra stuff underneath here if I want, right? I could go and take out this picture if I wanted. I could just have headline, video, buy button, right? It's literally that easy, and you get access to 10 different VSL funnels. I've got them inside the special bonus area for people who go and take advantage. Just go to ShawnBayley.com/OFA, and you can get access to the pre-built funnels. And we'll cut over and I'll show you all the rest of the stuff that you get access to as well. A special training that I've got, it's my sales message training for non-writers. So this is this awesome little 3-part kind of do it with me training designed so that you can create your first sales letter script. Let me zoom in here a little bit more. So basically, we're going to bang out your own sales letter that includes a headline, a lead, a story, awesome bullets, include your offer and close, and it's designed to be just enjoyed and consumed in an afternoon. And imagine how great it's going to feel when you have the sales letter formula that you can use over and over, and you can save thousands of dollars because you won't have to go and hire an expensive copywriter like me. Again, you'll get the funnel copywriter toolkit. So in here, we've got sales letter templates. So these are 5 different sales letter templates that you can use, modify, and profit from at will. There's a text sales letter template, a VSL sales letter template for products and courses, done for you service, a resume sales letter I think that you'll find is really, really awesome, as well as the hook story offer sales letter ready to go for you as well. So these are copy and paste templates. You just go craft your offer, go through the template that we just went through, and then plug it into one of these sales letters. I've also got the 5 different email campaign templates for you. I got the word template in there twice. I have to go through and edit that. You get an onboarding series. You get a 5-day launch series. You get a new subscriber to new buyer series, plus some more awesomeness that you only get if you take advantage of the One Funnel Away Challenge and get these bonuses from me. You get the list of 150 words and phrases. So this is basically an ocean of powerful selling words and phrases, and I'll show you where to apply them in your sales letter, which means more people are going to go and click and buy and take action and spend money with you. With the selling with words starter kit, so this is like a visual reference. So you'll instantly know the perfect angle of attack to start your sales message, because you want to know, is your customer product aware? Are they solution aware? Wherever they fall on that awareness scale is going to dictate the type of sales message that you should use in your actual sales message. Next, you get my ClickFunnels Fast Start mini course. This is basically the fastest way to start selling something using ClickFunnels, right? This isn't go in depth about all the nifty little features and settings and all that kind of stuff with ClickFunnels. This is about setting up your product in ClickFunnels in the shortest amount of time and start selling. So you'll finally be able to start selling your own products online without getting, stuck in the technical weeds that most people get hung up with. And lastly, you get the lead funnel workshop. This thing is pretty awesome because you probably heard that saying, the money is in the list. So let's go and build your email list fast, right? Your email list is the biggest and most valuable asset in your business, right? Because it is absolutely amazing when you can go write up an email, hit send, and start seeing sales and results coming in because you have an email list. That means you don't have to go and buy, beg, or borrow traffic, right? Your email list is traffic that you own. So all of this together You get $3,000 worth of value from Russell Brunson. You get $2,688 from me. Brings the total value to $5,814, and you get all of that for just $100 by going and entering into the One Funnel Challenge by taking advantage of it through my special link. All you have to do is go to this page, go to ShawnBayley.com, www.ShawnBayley.com/OFA, and you can go and it'll take you to this page here. All you have to do is click this button to sign up for the challenge. On the next page after this, it'll have the instructions. All you have to do is sign up for the challenge, forward your receipt that comes back, forward that on to me, just send it over to support@ShawnBayley.com, and then I will email access to the bonuses to you, right? And you get all this stuff, again, like I say, just for $100 for entering into what I consider to be, with the One Funnel Away Challenge. This, honestly, this is probably one of the best marketing courses on the planet. Not only do you get the training from Russell Brunson and from his coaches about how to go set up an offer, set up a funnel, and start selling it, but you're also get all these interviews, all this advice from other different internet millionaires. These are all people who've launched funnels and made over $1 million doing it. It is absolutely amazing. It's one of the best. I've been through this course multiple times. 3 times I've gone through this thing, and each time I still find more goodness inside of it. And you get access to this course plus all the bonuses from me if you go and take action today. All you have to do, again, just go to ShawnBayley.com. I'll show the link for you here. Just go to ShawnBayley.com, www.ShawnBayley.com/OFA, and you can go and get access to these bonuses. So I'm going to be doing more series in regards to this to keep promoting these, to promote the One Funnel Away Challenge, and to give you some more copywriting goodness. The next one is going to be talking about headlines and bullets, and we're going to be talking about selling with stories. And then I will be giving you my ultimate sales letter formula, and all of this stuff, all of this additional training is going to be added and bundled into all the bonuses that you just saw with the One Funnel Away Challenge. So don't miss out. Go get it, and you can get access to all of this as well. I hope you enjoyed this training. I know I sure did. This has been really awesome. So I will see you in the next one.